Now, what is positive ion? What is negative ion? Okay. So positive means the loss of electron. Simply the loss of electron means positive charge. The gaining of electron means negative charge. Okay. Plus indicates loss of electron. Minus indicates the gaining of electron. Okay. For example, the element which losses one electron, so simply plus one charge. If the element losses 2 electrons, so plus 2 charge. If the element losses 3 electrons, plus 3 charge. If the element losses 4 electrons, plus 4 charge. Clear all of you? For example, if the element gains 1 electron, that indicates minus 1. If the element gains 2 electrons, that indicates minus 2. Okay? If the element gains 3 electrons, minus 3 charge. Clear all of you? So gaining indicates minus. Loss indicates simply plus. Okay? So first take hydrogen. Hydrogen valency 1. Why 1? So first in hydrogen valence shell is K shell. Hydrogen is always loss 1 electron. So 1 electron loss means okay. So now okay, what is the charge of hydrogen? Plus 1. So hydrogen loss 1 electron. So H plus indicates loss of 1 electron. So H plus. Okay, the charge plus 1 or plus. So valency also 1. Because okay, hydrogen loss 1 electron. Charge plus 1. Valency 1. Clear? All of you clear? Now take third element. Helium is 0. Already explained. Now take third element lithium. So lithium valence shell, okay, L shell. Valence shell means the outermost shell. So in L shell 1 electron. For lithium element L shell 1 electron. So here, for example, lithium lost this electron. Okay, lithium plus 1 charge. Okay, ma, clear all of you. So Li plus indicates loss of 1 electron. Why lithium lost 1 electron? Because every element to reach the zero group element, the nearest zero group element. For example, here helium is the okay zero group element. Okay, so lithium to reach okay helium electronic configuration. So helium electronic configuration 2. So lithium electronic configuration 2, 1. If lithium lost 1 electron, okay, if lithium lost 1 electron means it reaches the electronic configuration of helium. So lithium is always lost 1 electron. So lithium plus 1 charge. Clear all of you? Lithium to reach helium electronic configuration means it lost 1 electron. It lost of 1 electron. So now only 2 electrons. So 2 electrons indicates helium. So every element to reach the nearest zero group element. Okay. So lithium lost 1 electron. So Li plus 1 charge. So valency plus 1 indicates valency 1. Clear all of you? Now beryllium. Beryllium electronic configuration 2, 2. Because total number of electrons is 4. So beryllium, how many electrons? 4 electrons. But beryllium, okay, to reach helium electronic configuration means okay, loss of 2 electrons. So loss of 2 electrons means it reaches okay helium electronic configuration. So for example, beryllium lost 2 electrons. So it reaches 2. That means it is electronic configuration of helium. So for example, beryllium lost 2 electrons in the outermost shell. So now what is the charge? Plus 2 charge. Because the nearest zero group element of beryllium is helium. Clear all of you? So that's why. So the charge of the beryllium is plus 2 and valency 2. Clear all of you? Now take boron. So boron electronic configuration 2, 3. 2, 3. Here, okay, again boron 3 electrons. Okay, now. So boron to reach helium electronic configuration means it draws off 3 electrons. It draws off 3 electrons means charge is equal to plus 3 mm. So ROS means plus. How many electrons ROS? 3 electrons. So boron ROS 3 electrons. Then to reach the helium electronic configuration. So boron 2, 3, boron ROS 3 electrons. Then the electron configuration becomes 2. So 2 indicates the electronic configuration of helium. Clear all of you? So now boron charge of the boron is plus 3 and valence is equal to 3. Clear all of you? Now take carbon. So carbon electronic configuration 2, 4. Carbon electronic configuration 2, 4. So carbon outermost shell has 4 electrons. Now take carbon. So carbon electronic configuration 2, 4. If the carbon reaches the electronic configuration of helium means it draws 4 electrons. Okay, 4 electrons lost means the charge of the carbon is plus 4. So outermost shell it draws is 4 electrons. Clear all of you? So 4 electrons lost means the electronic configuration of carbon is 2. 2 indicates the electronic configuration of the helium. Clear all of you? So every element try to reach the electronic configuration of 0 group element, nearest 0 group element. So carbon nearest noble gas or 0 group element helium. So boron nearest helium. Okay, beryllium nearest helium. Lithium also helium. So here lithium lost 1 electron to reach 2. So beryllium 2 electrons So boron lost 3 electrons. Carbon lost 4 electrons. Clear? So hydrogen valency 1. Charge plus 1. Okay. Helium charge 0. Valency also 0. And lithium valency 1. Charge plus 1. And beryllium, okay, valency 2. Charge plus 2. Okay. And boron valency 3. Charge plus 3. Carbon valency 4. And charge plus 4. Are you understand, students? Okay.